Hi guys, we found another campground that we liked a lot better than the first one. Uh, got a little more room in between uh, sites. It costs $5 a night. It's right outside Newport, North Carolina. So this right here is a campground site. And then you got all that room until the next one. So it gives you a little bit more room. Don't feel like you're right up on people. Let's see. We have some water over there. It's a big lake. David is working on a fire. I got my bead stuff out to kind of sort and play. Then we're going to divvy up the Augustin Farm stuff. I was turned on to this black bean burger by Moonglow. We will be testing that stuff out. Let's see, there's a playpen for the girls. There's Dave doing the fire thing. And that's my solar panel thing to charge my phone up and everything. Let's see, and then over there, right there, is a thermal shower. So we can get cleaned up in the morning. But this is really nice. It's so quiet. And we're just having a good time. Just chilling. So, anywho, I'll be back a little later. Take it easy. Take the long way home. Whoop, whoop. We have fire. I'm going to take a little walk down to the water. Show you guys. Nice little trail. Big pieces of wood. Shame we can't carry those to the fire. Okay. Yeah, there's like a... Ooh, that's a big drop. That's a big drop. No way I'm going over there. I could get down, but I'd never get back up, because that's like a 4-foot drop there. From there, it's like a cliff. But it's so pretty here. So pretty. And now that I'm here, I don't want to leave. But then Stephanie reminded Mom, it's going to get cold again. And I said, yeah, you're right. I'm out of here. So, anyway, that's our little campground. And when we get supper ready, I'm going to show you what we're having, okay? All right, I'll be back. Okay, we got our supper on the grill. Fire started. Took us a while, but we did it. And got hot water for hot chocolate. So, I think we're doing good. But we're running out of daylight, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to let you guys see the actual dinner, because it's going to be dark before it's done. Huh?
We have lights.
Okay, they said They said, don't worry about it. We have light. Okay. So I'll be back. Merry Christmas. Okay, we got the bacon. We got cinnamon rolls. These look awesome. And David is doing eggs.
Your eggs are partially frozen.
So, what do you say? What? I missed
He
it.
thinks that the eggs are partially frozen.
Oh, yeah, they'll melt. So, this is our breakfast time and the hot chocolate. We're having hot chocolate, which is a tradition for Christmas morning.
Yummy.
Mmm.
Yeah, it's 3 of us. Yeah.
So, we'll be back.